Welcome to this tutorial, where we will explore how to use the CCleaner app on your Android phone to remove unwanted applications. This method is quick, efficient, and helps free up valuable storage space on your device while keeping your phone organized and clutter-free. First, open the CCleaner app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for the three lines icon at the top right corner and tap on it. This will open the menu where you can access different settings. Then, tap on the option labeled Apps at the top. This will display a complete list of all applications currently installed on your phone. After that, scroll through the list and select the app you want to uninstall. Once selected, tap on the Uninstall button at the bottom of the screen. Next, confirm the action by tapping on Delete. Finally, tap OK to complete the process, and the chosen application will be removed from your device. By following these instructions, you can quickly remove unnecessary apps and keep your Android phone running smoothly. Regularly uninstalling unused apps helps maintain speed, save storage, and improve your overall device performance.